Hello there everybody and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be reviewing another diecast, and these are some of my old diecasts right here. As you can see, have the Lotus Exige RX-8, got the Ferrari SF16H, and also a Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. But this time I'm going to be reviewing the Mazda RX-8. Pretty much bought this back I think in 26 somewhere in 2016, I think early 2016. And as you can see, I didn't really make a video about it, but now I'm making a video about it. So you can see, let's look at all the details of this car. It's very nice. You see, you got the wheels, got the stock wheels for the RX-8. I think the detail here is done pretty well. As you can see, got the wheels, and let's first look at the front of this car. You see, here's a nose, here's a front bumper. You can see the headlights are definitely on point. The shape of the headlights. You got the Mazda logo right there. Got the vent, the front vents right here, and that little V shape right there. You can see for the bumper. You also have fog lights down at the bottom here. Got the little blinkers as well. They're not really. I'm not sure if they're actually colored, but I think they should be colored. Let's move on to the side here. As you can see, by the way, the hood as well is very nice. You can see it's got that triangle there. It actually is in the actual car. So the side, it's got the fenders. Definitely pronounced fenders like in the real car. Um, some people may not like it, but for me, I think that the RX-8 is not really a bad looking car, but some people just don't really like it. You see, you got the vents right there at the sides of the car, and you got the doors here. You see, as you can see, it might look like there are only two doors, but these are actually these two very thin doors right here are called suicide doors. So you open this one first, and then you open that one. But unfortunately, you can't really open these, so a bit of a shame. But I think it would be a little bit difficult to do those, and it would make this one more expensive. But nonetheless, still good doors. You can see they open quite nicely. Got the mirrors as well, and if we look at the interior, let's look at this side first. This side actually, because it's a right-hand drive. Got the steering wheel there. I like the shape. Steering wheel is just like the real car. Obviously, there's not going to be not much detail here. It's just one color of the steering wheel, but at least the dash and the seats are a different color. They're gray, and the steering wheel is black. It's got the gauges there. Gauges are also circular. And we got a bit of detail there actually in the inside. You can't really see it that much. Let's look at it from this angle. There you go. The control, the center console there. As you can see, it's really struggling, but you can kind of see the little player there, CD player and all that stuff. So that's modeled in quite nicely. Also got the very short shifter there, as well as the handbrake. That's nice. The seats as well. You see, the seats are modeled them in nicely. At the back, you also got back seats there. Can barely see them, but those are back seats. And now let's move on to this side and see you got the fuel right there. The back got the windshield and front as well. Windshield is quite nice. Got the wipers. And let's look at the back of this car. So as you can see, you got the Mazda logo right there. It's got the decals, RX-8, and then this one as well, the logo right here. The taillights, it's got some detail there. You can see, got the red and the shape of it. This is very nice. It's got the red third taillight there as well. Got the exhaust right there. Very nice, and some more vents there. I'm not sure if those are actually real vents in the car, but it does have that detail. And at the bottom, you can see, got these little plastic things there to show a bit of the underside of the car, but obviously there's not much detail here. Yeah, that's it. It says right there Mazda RX-8, and I also forgot to tell that this one McLaren F1 GTR is also pullback. So all these cars are pullback. So yeah, can pull that back. But yeah, that's all for this video. Mazda RX-8 by KiNSMART. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a comment if you want to see more of these videos. That's it. Stay blue, my friends. Goodbye.